Cheers! Hi, I'm Uriel and welcome to another Crazy Ride. And in this video we're going to take you on our first weekend away on the bike in spring, which is our test run for the Road King weekend in 2022 September. Wow, it is a beautiful day and it's supposed to be a very good weekend as well, weather-wise. And because it's my birthday this Sunday, we thought it was a nice opportunity to go out on our first full biking weekend and to test out the Road King weekend that we will be organizing in September 2022. So we did invite other friends, so they could join us, Patrick and Mickey, but I got a call this morning and they have COVID. So big shout out to Patrick and Mickey, hope you are feeling better soon and that we get to do another weekend together soon. So, but we are gonna take you to the Belgium Ardennes and to this real cool biker place, Baton Rouge. So let's go crazy! And that's the highway done for this weekend. We took some 45 kilometers to get to Echt, a bit south already, to get to the point where we were supposed to meet our friends and where we will be meeting all the other people who will be joining us on the Road King weekend. And that will be the 20th Road King weekend. And we are more than an hour late, and I have to say that is all my fault this time. And of course, every opportunity we get to ride in the hills of the province of Limburg, we take it. And we love to do this little ride because it gives us one of our most favorite views, because it looks a bit like Tuscany. Look. And if you want to see more, watch our video that we made on our Itchy Boots challenge, where we take you to this view. I will link it somewhere in the video. Look at that, nicely parked at the bike parking. We know where we want to have lunch during the weekend in September, but because it's only late March, the place where we want to go to then is still closed on Friday. So we had to find another spot to have lunch. And we found this nice little terrace here in the village of Wilree. And that is where the brewery, of Brandbier, the Dutch Brandbier. Don't drink and drive. had a nice stop in the, I think it's a city, Spa, where the mineral water comes from, and we had a spa on the terrace. And now it's a bit busy to get out of Spa. We still have an hour, 20 minutes of nice riding to do. Wow, early spring is beautiful. Well, we have arrived at Baton Rouge near Vilzam, and we did like the stops for lunch. Well, we know where we want to go for lunch, and a drink in Spa, but we most probably will change the ride. But yeah, we like to do planning on rides, so that's not bad. And Johan went down to see if Ben can open the door to the garage.
Hej! Dag Ben, hoe is het?
If you liked this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. If you want to see the video of part 2 of this weekend, the actual ride in the Ardennes, it's in the middle of your screen if you want to keep going crazy now.